You can also create your own protocols in Auriculo 360. Simply click on the plus ear and add new protocol. You can copy from an existing protocol, or you can create your own protocol starting with a blank ear. We'll copy from the existing. We'll start with the back pain mid-back protocol. Here we can modify the protocol name or the description, and it automatically notes that this is a modified protocol, which I can change and rename. And I can add to the description or edit it in any way I'd like. And then I can choose the points that will be included. On the left, we have a list of all the available points, and on the right, we have the list of the points that are already in that protocol, since I was starting with an existing protocol. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead, select and add a couple of points. And by doing so now, they've been added to this list over here. When I'm satisfied with the points that I've added and removed any points that I want to remove, I can go ahead and hit next, take a look at it, and if everything looks good, I can save it. Now we'll see that that protocol shows up here as modified, and it's highlighted in yellow to highlight it from the others that are original and included with the software. Here I can see the mid-back pain protocol as original, and here I can see the modified version with my added points. At any time I can go in and further modify that protocol, change the notes with it, or I can delete it if I'm done with it. And just as we are able to add protocols, you can click to add a new point. First, you give the point a name, and you can add a description about what that point does. Then, using the interactive ear, you place that point exactly where it belongs. Don't worry if you don't place it exactly where you want the first time. You can click again to move it around. And as you click near existing points, you'll see that their names will pop up to show you where you are in relation to them so that you can tell what you're close to. This makes it really easy to place the point exactly where you want it placed. Once you've got the location correct, just click on Save, and you'll find that that point is now saved in your points list. So here we have it, new point name, and as you can see, it's highlighted in yellow to show that that's a point that I added to the software rather than a point that came with it. That point can then be used in creating protocols, and it will stay in my library. I can modify it, I can edit it, I can add notes, I can treat it in all other ways, just like any other point. And that way, your library can grow. As you grow and as you learn new points and new protocols, you can add them in your repository of auriculotherapy knowledge so that they'll always be available to you.